Positive vibes, positive vibes, positive vibes only. Woo, woo. What's happening? We're on our way home, man. It is Friday. Happy Valentine's Day. All of that. If y'all going out tonight, just be careful. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself. Me, staying in, gonna work. You know, grind don't stop. Ain't got nobody to take me out or me to take them out. So I'm gonna go make some money. Let's hit it. Head home. Anyway, speaking of, this is a segue into what I wanted to talk about. Hey, okay, so I was on, what was that? No, I went to the doctor yesterday, right? So, went and seen the doctor. Everything was okay with my kidneys. That's why I had to go see the kidney doctor. And then I had to go get my blood drawn for my PT count. So the girl that do my draw, she usually does it. Man, if you don't get off my, she usually does it. I'd say out of the 10 times I go in there, she probably do it 8. So she had her hair did and makeup on. She was looking cute, all except for her eyelashes. Now, ladies, I'm gonna tell y'all this. If you gonna get your eyelashes done, get them done professionally. Because otherwise, your shit looking like bird wings. You know what I'm saying? Every time you blink, look like you about to fly away. Get them done professionally, please, and make sure it matches your face. Now she's a cute girl, cute. Even when she ain't got no makeup on, you know what I'm saying? She always her hair's always whipped, but even when she ain't got no makeup on and she just, you know, kind of looking regular, she cute. You know what I'm saying? And we chop it up every time I go in there. Even when she don't do my blood draw, we chop it up. But yesterday I was like, why? And you could tell it wasn't done professionally. And if it was done professionally, you need to tell that whoever that did it need to change their profession. Cause that shit just no, it didn't look right. And I ain't trying to, you know, be funny or nothing, but it was just wrong. Like I said, it looked like bird wings, man. I'm like, I ain't want to say nothing, you know what I'm saying? I just said, you know, you look cute today. But in the back of my mind, I'm like, why you do that to yourself? Why you got them long ass eyelashes on? It just didn't match her face. That's all I'm saying. Get something that matches your face and have them professionally done. That's all I'm saying. I just went by that cop doing 95 mile an hour. Holy shit. Ooh, did I say 95 mile an hour? Oh, I got it on kilometers. My fault. I forgot I was in Mexico and Dubai. Anyway, and I should have known better because they always sit out here. Ladies, please. You know, I ain't trying to be funny. I ain't trying to be mean or nothing like that, but Like I said, if you're gonna have them done, have them to match your face. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all are in competition to see who can get the longest eyelashes, but and then they just looked like they were just caked up, crooked. You know, it was just way too much of everything. Not too much of something, too much of everything. You know, like I said, she a cute girl. It was just too much. And she's not the only one I've seen like that either. I've seen a lot of women who they try to get the longest eyelashes they can. It just doesn't match your face. Stop doing it. Please stop doing that. They don't have to be that long. You can do it in a way that's classy, that matches your face, and professionally done, that look like they blend. You know what I'm saying? You know, look like she woke up in the morning and just put them on, or she went to sleep with them on and had a bad nightmare or something. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just, y'all do your thing with them, but sometimes some of y'all just doing way too damn much. So that's my little tidbit, you know, on the eyelash thing. You know what I'm saying? Because majority of y'all that I see with the eyelash, oh Lord have mercy. I'm like, yeah. Whoever did hers got her shit right. You know what I'm saying? And these, you know, whoever put them on need to tell y'all, no, that don't look right. Just don't be doing something just to make some money. You know what I'm saying? Because that look bad on you too. You know what I'm saying? You just throwing something on somebody's face and knowing it damn well don't look right. They walk up out of there looking crazy. That's getting your hair done, your nails done, all of that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's professional. You know what I'm saying? So, if you're going to do it right, I say. You know what I'm saying? Y'all measuring once and cutting 5 times. Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. And don't have, you know, the man taking you out, he's looking at you like, yeah, he want to say something, but he know better. You know what I'm saying? And you ask him, how you like my, and he gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Most guys gonna lie. They gonna like, yeah, baby, that looks okay. You look good. You know what I'm saying? Knowing damn well that shit look like trash. Stop lying to these women, fellas. Tell them the truth. If it don't look right, here's the way to say it. Don't say it like I said it. Don't say it look like trash. Just say, hey, baby, that's just, you know, I like what you were shooting for, but no. You know what I'm saying? Find a way to say it nicely. And maybe that's my whole problem. That's why I probably can't keep women, because I say how it is. And maybe I just say it wrong. I'm thinking I'm saying it, you know, nicely, but I'm really saying it like, nah, that ain't what it do right there. That ain't what it do. Cause I will say that shit. Especially if you ask me if you ask me, I'm gonna tell you the truth, so you better not ask. But same goes with me. If I don't look right in something, you know, I want my woman to tell me, baby, that don't go. Then I'm gonna go change. I ain't gonna have no hard feelings about it or nothing. If it don't go, don't go. Shit, you ain't supposed to let your man or your woman walk out the damn house looking half and half. You know what I'm saying? Half lemonade and half iced tea. And neither one of them sweet. You know what I'm saying? So don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to nobody else. Until the next time. Positive vibes, positive vibes, positive vibes. Oh, and I'm out.